natural hair, and then the ends are still permed. Let me show you my way of installing lock extensions with that perm ends. Install took approximately 5 hours. It's an easier way to install without having to crochet as much, because a lot of people don't like to crochet, so they braid it in. But this is a way right here. You just pull them perm ends through the middle of the locks. And then you slide the lock down to pull that hair in there, and then you crochet. Now, my name is iLocdit. This is my method. So if you do decide to use my method, can you please tag me and let me know how did it work for you? Because I have to find ways to work easy for me, and this is an easier way to install. And also, please subscribe, like, and share, because I will be uploading more how-to videos, really quick videos to show you how I do things a simpler way, and it's still effective. In the description, you will see the links to all the tools that I use, because I know my crochet hook is a little bit different than the ones you're used to seeing with the round end, and mine have a pointy end, and it works so much better when going into the middle of those locks to pull that hair in. The round tip crochet tool will not do the same. So I will have the link in the description where you can get that tool. I will also have the links to the hair that I use to make my dreadlocks. I also have a vendor that I use, so like sometimes I'm not able to make locks, and then I will order some, which they are more firmer than the ones I make. So everybody loves my locks because they're more lightweight and fluffier, but I can always make them. In my link, under the booking section, there is a section where you can book a class. Once you book the class, I will have all the items for you. All that is in the description and the booking link. So the link I'm about to provide in the description will have all the information if you want to get a in-person class. So here are the lock extensions. It's about 125, I'm assuming. I didn't count. So this is my way of installing lock extension with perm ends. Please subscribe.